It's Fun to Serve time, and it is our favorite time of the year. This year we're raising $65,000. And you might think, wow, what in the world could we possibly do with $65,000? We're going to use it to put state-of-the-art streaming and presentation equipment into each K-12 classroom. And we're also going to build a new handicapped accessible ramp on the Central Elementary playground. This week, your kiddos will be coming home with this packet, and inside contains all the details about how to do this amazing Fun to Serve. But the most important is the letters that you're going to address to your sponsors, and I meant kiddos, not you. So they look like this. On the front is, will you be my sponsor? Simply in the Dear, you need to put their name. In the Sincerely, have your kiddo sign their name. And then off to the side, have them write a sweet little note to their sponsor. It is a simple tri-fold letter that you're going to simply fold in thirds, like this, put a piece of tape, and add a stamp. It's that simple. Put it back in the envelope and return it to the school. And you might ask, why are we doing letters and not doing something online? Well, there's just that added personal touch. And we've done it so long now that our sponsors really look forward to receiving these pieces of letter in the mail. And your teachers will love it. We're asking you to do 100% participation. He or she would be the first to receive the streaming and presentation equipment in their classroom. How do you reach 100%? Each kiddo needs to do at least 3 letters. So please pray over this packet, think about it, and let God do the work. Thank you so much for being one of our sponsors and supporting our kiddos as we try to teach them about servant leadership. And the money that you've given annually has done many things for our campus. We originally started with laptops in each K-8 classroom. Then we moved last year to COWs, which are computers on wheels. We put a brand new playground and turf in for our elementary central campus. We put blackout shades in each classroom so in case there's an emergency. We put a dishwasher and refrigerator in the teacher's lounge. We redid the patio. If you've ever driven onto the CSCS campus, you'll see the brand new patio. We love teaching our kids about servant leadership and how we can serve others in our community. Some of those organizations are Operation Christmas Child, Life Network, many nursing homes here in the community. We even went to Teller County Senior Coalition, and there's numerous others. If you have a ministry or a place that you would like for us to come and serve, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'd be more than happy to see if it fits in our wheelhouse to come and serve you. That is really what this is about, asking you to sponsor our kid as we go and serve in the community. Thank you again so much for sponsoring with us and supporting our PTO so faithfully over the years.